industrial applications, rubber hoses play a critical role in conveying air, water, oil, and even chemical media.
However, many purchasing mistakes come from judging hoses only by appearance or basic specifications.
What truly defines an industrial rubber hose is its internal structure. The inner tube determines media compatibility. The reinforcement layer controls pressure resistance, and the outer cover affects abrasion resistance, weather resistance, and service life. Different applications require completely different rubber formulations and constructions. Air hose, oil-resistant hose, and general-purpose hose, industrial hose, may look similar on the outside, but their internal designs are fundamentally different. For B2B customers, choosing the right industrial rubber hose reduces downtime risks and significantly lower maintenance and replacement cost. That is why professional manufacturers focus on application matching instead of simply promoting one-size-fits-all solutions.